Hello, good day. You are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how to solve equation in logarithm. So the question here says log x squared over 4 to the base 5 plus log 5 over 2x to the base 5 is equal to 4. Now, in order to solve this, we apply the law of logarithm that tells us that when we have addition, it is evaluated as multiplication. So addition is evaluated as multiplication. So we are simply going to write log to the base 5. We open up the brackets and we multiply the two terms here. So that becomes x squared over 4 multiplied by 5x over 2. This 5 over 2x is into as 5x over 2, and everything is equal to 4. So now that we have this, let's multiply what we have in this bracket here. So I'm going to write log to the base 5 x squared multiplied by 5x is going to give us 5x cubed, all divided by 4 times 2 is 8. Then we'll cover the bracket and we'll say is equal to 4. Now, if you check, this left hand side is in logarithm to the base 5, but the 4 here on the right hand side is just a whole number. So for us to handle this, what we are going to do now is to convert this logarithm to indices. The whole of this equation we are to convert to indices. There's this way of converting logarithm to indices where you have, if you have, for example, you have log b to the base a is equal to c. This is expressed as b is equal to a raised to the power c. So the base raised to the power of that answer is equal to the number that we have here. So it is expressed as this. So if we take that now, then we are going to take this as 5x cubed all over 8. 5x cubed all over 8. That will be equal to the base here, which is 5, all raised to the value that we have here, which is 4. So that is how it is going to be. So now if we check, we can see that this is 5. If we cross multiply now, let me cross multiply so that we can see what goes next. If we cross multiply, it's going to give us 5x raised to power 3 is equal to this 8 multiplied by this, which is 8 times 5 raised to power 4. Now we can express this as 5x raised to power 3 is equal to 8 times 5 raised to power 4 can be expressed as 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 into 4 places. So if we divide both sides by 5, this 5 will cancel and one of the 5 here will cancel when we divide both sides by 5. So with that, we are left with x raised to power 3 is equal to 8 multiplied by 5 times 5 times 5 will give us 125. So if we check this very well now, we can take the cube root of both sides in order to get x. So x will be equal to, when you take the cube root of both sides now, this cube will disappear. You are left with x, and then you say the cube root, that is 3 here, the cube root of 8 multiplied by 125. Now, to get the cube root of 825, if you evaluate it from your calculator, you're going to get x is equal to the cube root of 825 can be expressed as the cube root of 8, which is 2, multiplied by the cube root of 125, which is 5. So that will give us 10. So x automatically is equal to 10 because the cube root of 8 times 125 is equal to 10. So please, if you're enjoying this video, please like the video and give your comments below. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel as we create more videos so that you can easily have information on any new video that comes out. Please, so the final answer here is equal to 10. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.